Yeah, it would be cooler if it was like one of those like ground mushrooms, and it was a chicken. I mean, it was like a hybrid between like a chicken and a ground mushroom, and somebody like fry it or baked it or whatever, like they have it on pizza, and like they cut it up and like put meat and.
Where the fuck is the party my fucking shit?
No. It sounds gross.
What? You don't like living mushrooms being turned into like dishes?
No.
Chicken shroom. It's like a mooshroom.
No.
Wait. Do you know about the mushrooms in Minecraft?
No. Do I want it?